Okay, let's talk about texture and why going under the 2-lane bridge is so important. Now on this piece of crochet here, you can see that the stitches are all very smooth on the outside as well as on the inside. Everything is nice and smooth. Now on this next piece here, you can see that there's a different texture on the front. The back still looks smooth, but on the front, you can see that these rows, they're raised up with little ridges here. You see how those are kind of raised up in a way? That's sort of a better view. So on this piece, the stitches have been done not under the 2-lane bridge as they're meant to be. So if we go under the 2-lane bridge, we go under both of these little pieces of yarn. But this one has been done through the back loop only, which means that it's going only through the back loop like this. And so that creates a different texture on the front with these raised ridges. On this piece over here, the front looks pretty smooth, but if you look at the back, you can see raised ridges on the back here. See these little 1, 2, 3 raised ridges on the back? So this has been done through the front loop only. So that looks like, instead of going under the 2-lane bridge as you're meant to for a standard single crochet, this one was done through the front loop only, so only through this front little loop right here. So although it works, and it absolutely will hold together, and yes, indeed, you are crocheting, front loop only and back loop only are actually 2 different stitches from the standard single crochet stitch. So when you're looking for your bridges, you want to be looking for, it's a loop, inside a loop, inside a loop, like this. And when you insert your hook, you're going to go under the 2-lane bridge, just like this. Now, as you get more advanced with your crochet, you will see crochet patterns that call for you to crochet front loop only or back loop only, because that particular pattern might intend to create this different kind of texture. But a classic single crochet stitch should be very smooth, and it goes under the 2-lane bridge.